Yes, so have you downloaded the Adobe Dreamweaver and have you opened the new link? Hello. So guys, let us start the practical of the class. Where are the other students? I made you wait because the Zoom video was converting and I had to wait. Now I will be able to upload that Zoom video so that you can have access. So without yes, so without losing time, let us start with the practicals of the class. Okay. So on my PowerPoint, you can see there is a website. Okay, the website is called Jen's Kitchen, right? And this is a simple, very simple website that I want you to code in this class. Okay, so you have been able to download Dreamweaver, yes or no? Yes, nice. And have you been able to open the link on the browser? This is the link, okay? So I want you to start to type the code in your browser, okay? So this is the code that you have to type, okay? So I give you 5 minutes, so please get started, okay? Let me show to you what I want you to be done. This one, share. So this is the coding platform, okay? And this is the code that you have to type on the left, okay? So let us get started typing the code. So first thing is you define the code, the doc type, okay? This HTML, okay? That is, you let the browser know that you're creating an HTML file. HTML, opening tag, and then closing tag, HTML. Fine? You have been able to type this till now? Students, all okay? So next we continue, we create the header, head, and then we close the head part. Okay. Then the meta charset, you can skip it, but you continue with the next tag, which is the page title tag. Okay. So in what is the title tag? It is anything that appears here in the browser. Okay. That is, this page title is HTML code HS. Okay. Here you type the title tag, Jen's Kitchen, the title. Okay. Then you put a link to a CSS file. Okay. So this is the code link for is equal to style sheet. Okay. So we are linking a style sheet to this HTML page, and then what is the reference? The name of the CSS file is kitchen. dot CSS, and what is the type of the file is equal to text CSS. Okay. And then the header is closed. Okay. You have been able to type this much. Yes. Je peux type là, mademoiselle. Ok. Je le récite proceed là. Don't make typing mistakes, because if you type it wrong, the code, if you click on run code, there's nothing in the body. Okay, there's nothing in the body. That's good. Yeah, you see, there's only Jen's Kitchen. So we have created a blank web page with only page title Jen's Kitchen. Fine. Je tout inarrivé jusqu'à là?
Oui.
Very good. Allez, so let us continue. So now we will create the body. Okay. Oops. We come here, we type body, and then we close the body tag. Okay. And then we create a heading 1 tag. You see in the picture, there is a big heading 1. C'est un gros design là. It's a big heading 1. Okay. Image source, il met un logo là, mais là, il met Jen's Kitchen. Okay. So I type heading 1. I like to close the tags, because if I don't close the tags immediately, there will be an error. There will be a bug. Okay. So what in the heading tag? Qu'il interdit, il met un logo. Image source is equal to alt is equal to food logo. Okay. And then we close to image. Okay. So this is the code, guys, for inserting an image into HTML. Right? Je ne type là, je vais progresser. Okay. Now we need to insert an image. So we go on Google Images and then we type kitchen image, or we type kitchen logo. Okay. Let's say we want to have this logo. So let's say we want to put this image. Okay, so we just copy and then we paste. Okay, the long link layer. So this is the image source, and then on the right, okay, we continue with Jen's Kitchen. Good. So in this way, we have inserted a logo, we have inserted a logo, and we have inserted the main title, heading 1, Jen's Kitchen. Okay, and then we run the code. Voilà. Le drawing apparaît, a logo, and then Jen's Kitchen. Let me see HTML in new window. Voilà. So this is what you should have designed till now. Okay, you can look for any image on the internet and then copy the link. Okay, and then you just paste it in your code. So if you right click, everybody just follow very well. If you right click and you click on view page source, okay, I am using Google Chrome, and I advise you also to use Google Chrome. You right click, you do view page source, okay, you will see this is the code. Title, body, h1, okay, so this is the source code for the website. Now we continue. So there's this text, if you love to read and etc. And then there's this part of the text which is in bold. Okay, so I want you by yourself to type it. Okay, to do this exercise on your computer. If we were in computer lab, then I would have been following your screen. How are you coding? Because for many people, it's the first time they're coding HTML, and there are some few practices, good practices that you need to do. Okay. So all your content goes in the body. Okay, you can here the body. If you to read about now, cooking and eating is in bold. Okay, if you love to read about cooking and eating. Okay, let me go to side, save, and then I run the code. For now, you see, the text in the browser is telling me if you love to read about cooking and eating. Okay, I have typed it in a paragraph tag, but it is not appearing bold. So how I will do it bold? Je ne fais HTML un petit peu dans le dernier module, je ne fais seulement coding, je ne fais seulement table, right? So here is the answer. Okay, you just put the strong, strong, strong. Okay, and then there is a long paragraph, but at the end of the paragraph, this is the site for you. It has been put into italics, and how it has been done into italics. Here is the code. Okay, I click on save, and then I run the code. Voila. So now you have learned how to put text in bold, how to put text in italics, and these tags you need to know by heart because you are a web developer and you need to know how to write code to do in specific format. Okay. Now let us continue. Ici, ajoute un image. Okay. Et ici, ajoute ce copyright. Good. Fine. This is the HTML file. Okay, so you please complete this at home. Then at the end, you can save, I think you can save, download the file. So you download the file and then you save it as a file, and then you create a folder. You create a folder. Okay, so you do a new folder on your computer. You name it like restaurantgen.com. Okay, and this restaurantgen.com, there will be your index.html file. Okay, and you come here, download. You save it in the restaurantgen.com. You save it here. Okay, it is here. Then you extract the file. So here it is index.html, right? So I just delete this, and then I open it. Yeah. Well, so this is one way we are using this IDE. Okay. Another way is for you to use Adobe Dreamweaver. Okay. In the next class, we'll be using Adobe Dreamweaver. But for today, I want you to continue with this exercise. Okay, because you can view the code results in your browser. Save, run code. Because I need to create an account on CodeHS. Okay, that's right. So you need to create, you need to sign, okay? And then you will be able to work on this program, okay? So we continue with the class, okay? Is for you to create a kitchen.css file. So you need to do a new file in your Adobe Dreamweaver or a new here a new file, the new, and then you name it kitchen. Okay, and then you type this CSS code. Okay, this is the body font normal 1M there nana. Okay, and then you close it. H1 font select and the other you close, and then you just type, then you save it as a CSS file. Okay, after that you will link in your folder, this CSS file will be linked with your HTML, because then the restaurantgen.com new file, and then there will be a CSS file here. Okay, so this is the basic structure